This is a beautiful choice grade ribeye steak, and we about to attempt to make a Guga steak. I don't know if you know what that is. One of my favorite YouTubers, check it out. But look at that, beautiful marbling for a choice grade. Looking real good. And this is a very special butter. This butter I made myself, and it has my favorite medicine infused right in it. Take a look, because today we about to be making an infused ribeye steak, baby. Let's go. So first we're gonna start off with this beautiful choice grade ribeye steak. As you can see, it's not a whole lot of marbling, but it's a decent amount of marbling, and it's perfect for our application. So first what I like to do is tie some butcher twine around it, because when you have a ribeye steak that's especially tender and thick like this, it is prone to fall apart when grilling. So this can help keep it put together and keep it in one piece, just how you like it. I'm gonna go ahead and trim the edges off. And next thing we're gonna do is what's called dry brining. It's basically, I'm just gonna put some salt on this steak and make sure you salt it real well. Get all the sides, get all the edges, both sides. And then we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for at least about 5 to 6 hours. And what that's gonna do is help that salt to melt down into that meat. It's gonna fully season the steak all the way through. So make sure you hit it real good. Get the tips, get your edges. This is a thick piece of steak, so don't be shy with it. And get that spot right in the center that I missed. And get the edges as well, baby. It can't be too much, it's beautiful. So after you get it salted up, go ahead and set it in your refrigerator, and it's best to leave it sit overnight. And tomorrow you're gonna notice that all this salt is gonna disappear. And in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make the side dish that I'm gonna be eating. And what better to go with some steak than a twice baked potato? And it's gonna be fully loaded. Beef bacon, of course, chives, sour cream. So let's go ahead and get the bacon. Once you got your bacon chopped up, just fry it up in the cast iron pan until it's crispy. Make sure it's nice and crispy on all sides. Doesn't take too long. And after you drain out the oil, this is what you got left. So first, I'm gonna take the bacon fat, the oil that was left in the pan, and I'm gonna use that to oil my potatoes. First, stab your potatoes repeatedly with a fork or a knife, and make sure you get some nice holes all over the potato on both of them. And that's gonna allow it to cook evenly. After you get finished with that, rub it down with your oil of choice. I'm using beef bacon fat. That's just to add a little extra layer of flavor. Yes, sir. It smells good. Heavenly. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my air fryer, put it on 400 degrees, and then I'm gonna cook it for an hour. Real simple. If you're cooking more potatoes than 2, then you may need to go in the oven. But the same settings work just as good, just as well. 400 degrees for 1 hour. And after your potatoes are nice and baked, go ahead and cut off the top layer and try and leave most of the potatoes. So you're only cutting off like maybe a third, not even a third of the top, just to cap off the top of the potato. That way you can scoop out all the insides and all the filling. It's basically mashed potatoes stuffed back into the potato skin. Get you a spoon and go ahead and proceed to scoop out all that nice warm creamy potato. And try not to go too deep on the walls so that you don't cause the walls to collapse, so they have some type of support. And don't forget that top. And now go ahead and mix in your chives. The ingredients will be in the link in the description down below. Diced chives. Go ahead and take your bacon. Put most of it inside the mix, but save just a little bit so that you could top it. So just for presentation.
And then go ahead and get your sour cream. And you're gonna add sour cream to your discretion. I like my filling to be very creamy, so I like to add a lot of sour cream. And after you got it mixed up, go ahead and refill your potato skins with your filling. And try not to eat it all because it smells wonderful. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to go ahead and make this shit again, editing this video. And make sure you pile it on top too. Make it round. Make it look like the potato with the skin just removed off the top, like it's still rounded. Pile it on top. Mound it on. Trust me, the more you put in there, the better for yourself in the end. Oh, we ain't wasting nothing. Oh yeah, I ate that. You already know what time it is. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And go ahead and add your cheese. I'm just using shredded sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you prefer. Get that on top real nice. I don't waste a drop of nothing, baby. And then go ahead and add your bacon that you saved. And just a little bit on top, just to make it look pretty, you feel me? And after you're done with that, go ahead and throw it back in the air fryer for 5 to 10 minutes just to melt that cheese. Beautiful. And these wonderful twice baked potatoes are ready to go, baby. And now our steak should be ready. And take a look, baby. All the salt is gone. And we got that beautiful red tinge. That's to let you know that salt melted and it absorbed into that meat. And you're going to taste every ounce of flavor. As you can see, like Guga always says, the fat does not absorb the salt. And he was correct about that. So what makes this a Guga steak is basically the season and how long we cook it for. So what we're going to add is black pepper and garlic powder, and that's it. We already got plenty salt absorbed into the meat. But don't be shy with the garlic powder though. Flip it. Make sure you get all sides, baby. Yes, sir. And also, while you at it, hit them edges too. And I just give it a little pat just to set it down. Now we're going to take our infused butter, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of thyme, a little bit of ground thyme on there. And that's just so hopefully it offsets that infused flavor, if you know what I mean. And get our butter melted up. We're going to use our Inkbird thermometer to let us know when we at medium rare at 135 degrees internal temperature. And let's get it. What's the deal? This your boy, Mr. GoodBuds, and we ready to taste this steak, boy. So this is a little different cooking with the cannabis butter. I wonder is it gonna taste like weed? So actually, let's give it a shot and see how that part tastes. Let's see what we talking about. Cheers. It's good. Now, first, hold on, let's try the cap. All right, so that's a perfect piece right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's perfect medium rare. Let's try that. Oh, now that's perfect. And that's the cap. And to be honest, I don't taste the weed that much. I don't taste the weed. Ooh, that was a good piece too. The cap and the cap parts, juiciest tenderness. Y'all can see, like I said, that cap is that perfect color that I'll be looking for. So, and of course the cap is always the best. Woo! Hey, that's fucking good. All right, let's try out this. Oh, and you know what's crazy? I taste the weed more in the cap than I do in the eye. That's interesting. All right, let's try out this twice baked potato. Oh yeah, it's nice and cheesy. Oh man. Damn. Yes sir. Came out real good. Oh. God damn. Alright. Now we gotta try. Now we gotta try a piece with the steak. Grab you a little bit. Oh my, that is real good. Meal fit for a king, you feel me? Now we got some of all that on there. Cheers. Oh. Woo. Now. Man, pairing it with the potatoes are phenomenal. Oh my God. Let's try it with this. Let's try it with the cap, baby. Y'all know I fucks with steak hard. We had to, this steak is infused. I'm about to be fucked up. I did not infuse the potato. Oh my. Oh God, bro. Oh my God, that was beautiful. Let's take some of this skin. I don't know about y'all, but I like the skin too. Now, if y'all want to know how to make the butter, let me get some of that too. If y'all want to know how to make the butter, comment down below and I'll post it later this week. That was weird. That was a little different. Obviously, I'm not a fan of this potato skin, but the twice baked filling, boy. Let's go for that cap action again. Hey, this is dangerous. I don't taste the weed. I don't taste the weed. Oh my God. That is good. Putting them together. Happy birthday. So, yeah, I probably watching this the day after. My birthday was yesterday. You already know I got the best gift that God could ever give a man. A baby girl. on his birthday. So if y'all ain't already know yet, had another baby. How many did this? That makes 8. That's 8. My army is growing. Oh my God. This is fucking phenomenal. For real. God damn. Man, what's better than steak and potatoes, man? What's better than steak and potatoes? I'm looking like a king. Now, one problem was when I was cooking it, the butter, the weed butter doesn't flare up like the regular butter does. Oh my God. That was so tender. Wow. That's a good steak. I don't know what the weed butter did, but it did something different. It definitely did something different. It didn't flare up as fast, and it get as hot as the normal butter does. And so I had it on there a lot longer, getting that crust, because I wasn't getting a good crust like I normally would. Wow, I can't believe that piece was tender like that. With the bacon, boy, homemade beef bacon, no pork. Oh, no, a piece of fat. Let's try that piece of fat by itself. I like to taste the fat. Ooh, because it lets you get all the flavors. Like the fat absorb everything to get that real grill taste. Seasoned properly. The dry brine. Oh Lord. That was a piece that wasn't edible. Oh, my bad, Joe. Whatever, I ate it. It was like Carly or something. But I'm about to say, another thing is what am I about to say? Oh, the dry brine. Now the dry brine is very important because I don't know how to explain this, but when you dry brine and then absorb that salt, it makes every bite this beautiful salty taste that it goes perfectly with the meat. Like, oh my God, it's completely different when you salt the top and you just taste that normal saltiness. It's different from that. It's like as your teeth go down and it rips into that meat, every part of it is just like all the way through is just, you just get this wonderful salty meat flavor. This shit fucking good as fuck. I don't know how to explain this shit, but this shit crazy. Now we will be, oh my God. Oh my God. Dog. That is too good. We will be dropping a bunch of videos. I'm about to do a dry aged steak video. And I can't believe how good this shit tastes together. Happy motherfucking birthday. Damn. I ain't even playing, y'all. I don't know what happened here. Did the weed butter tenderize? I
don't know, but whatever the fuck happened, it's good as fuck. That my string came off, my butcher's twine, it came off. As you saw by the end, my steak was completely falling apart. That's why I try to always keep my, especially the ribeye, when they be thick and really tender, they just fall apart. Oh, y'all ain't have bullshit about the tenderness? Look. Look. Barely any force. I wouldn't put no force on that. Hold on, look again. No force. Look how slow. No force on that. I don't know, the weed did some type of tenderizing. You know, certain things break down certain enzymes into the meat and it actually tenderize it. It's a whole different ball game with the potatoes. I can't even eat them separately no more. That's amazing. Hey, shout out Google Foods. And I've been watching his shit. That's where I got all this idea from. Not the weed part. I ain't get the weed idea from. I got that from y'all. But all the steak shit I've been on, Google Foods. Go subscribe. I'm down here getting food. That was a good cook. So yeah, we got, oh my bad. Oh, that bacon too. So we got the brisket coming up. We still got the chip challenge coming up. We got the dry aged. We got the dry aged bone in ribeye, caveman style, coming up. And we got wifey want to do an African food challenge too. So we're gonna do the African food too. Oh, I got another piece of cap. Uh-oh, my bad. I done spit some shit out my mom. My bad. I'm not editing it out. Nope. Video took too much editing already. Cap, cheers. I'm telling you, when a steak is medium rare, boy, it's the perfect doneness. It's like when you got that rare, it's rubbery, still alive. Then you get to that medium rare, and it gets right past that point where it just rips apart real fucking easy. It just falls apart on your tongue. And then you go a little bit longer, you get in the medium. It's okay, but you start to lose juices. I ain't eating steak that longer than that. I'm sorry. I ain't gonna be able to do no well done. Show me a super tender piece well done. And I eat it. That's all I was gonna say. Y'all know what time it is. Stay tuned, cause we got some hot shit coming up, and y'all gonna see what time it is. Appreciate y'all for joining me once again, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, The Munchies. Make sure y'all go holler at the original, my other channel, Mr. GoodBuds. But then holler at the description down below, and make sure you comment down below and subscribe, man. Appreciate y'all. We out, bro.